This week on I Kind of Fixed It, you will see a husband and wife installing a white picket fence. So give it a watch. Smash that like button. And for God's sakes, subscribe. We've got bills to pay. And I'm really hoping this whole YouTube thing pays off. If you don't like this video, I will blame you if I don't become a famous YouTuber. Also, I have dogs to feed. You don't want them to go hungry. Do you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Do it for the dogs.
Yeah. Out here in the dark. October 9th, baby. Let's go, boots in the dirt, moon rising up. Wife's got the level, I got the truck. Halloween weekend, we're breaking ground. Bats overhead, hear the spooky sound. Close hole digger, man, it's getting real. Blisters on my hands, but you know the deal. Digging holes by moonlight. Digging holes by moonlight. Being close to Friday nights. Digging holes by moonlight. Live beer chillin'. Got that spooky feeling. Digging holes by moonlight. Digging holes by moonlight. She's holding the post while I pack it down. Best work partner in this whole dang town. Jack-o'-lantern scream from the porch. Working past midnight with a headlamp torch. Okay, look, let me tell you about this crazy week we had. YouTube channel crashed, man, I'm feeling kinda bad. Videos gone, subscribers wondering where I'm at. But I'm hitting hoes, ain't got time for all that shite. Says, babe, we gotta get spent up right. So we out here every evening working through the night. October weather perfect, got that autumn chill. Grab another line beat from the garage, yeah, that's the thrill. Auger hit a rock, had to dig around it slow. Neighborhood kids trick-or-treating, putting on a show. Lean while I'm covered in dirt, from head to toe. Trying to fix my channel on my phone, but Sweeney's Road finally got it working, kinda sorta made it fixed. Rule internet be trash, but I got a couple tricks. Now we back to fence work, got about 12 more to go. My back screaming at me, but we're finishing the show. Owls hooting in the trees, wearing rattle in the barn. This Halloween vibe hitting different on the farm. White flash that me covered in mud, head to toe, but she right there with me, that's my ride or die. Digging holes by moonlight, digging holes by moonlight. Close and bright nights, digging holes by moonlight. Live beer chillin', got that spooky feeling. Digging holes by moonlight, digging holes by moonlight. Door open, cold ones in the cooler. October nights couldn't get much cooler. Hands are aching, but we almost done. Haunted house vibes, man, this work ain't fun. Digging holes by moonlight. Digging home